Hello guys, welcome to back my channel Shyam Lani. Today I am explaining you introduction to Python. So introduction to Python. So I am starting the video. First 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 I will explain you introduction to Python. Who made Python and where he is made and where he release. So I start. Python is a simple programming language used to write codes for the computer programs. Python was created by Guido van Rossum when he was working at CWI. Full form of CWI is Centrum Visconde Informatica. It was released in 1991. Python is a high level programming language. Okay, and it is used for build a website, develop game, program robots, perform scientific computations. Okay guys, so there is version for installing Python in laptop is 3.7.0. To install Python in laptop 3.7.0. Okay, in last I will send the website to install Python. Okay, in laptop. So I am starting. First is what is title bar. Title bar is this that this is title bar. This is title bar. Okay. This is this is mm, this is title bar. Okay. And next menu bar. Menu bar. This is menu bar. This is menu bar. Okay. And next script area where we write code is called an script area, like this. Where we write code, it is called an script area. Okay. And status bar where code and console is written and commands is written and code and console is written. This is called status bar. Okay. And this is called menu bar, or this is called title, and this is called where we write code. This is called script area. Okay, it is called script area. Script area. Okay guys, and I am explaining you sub option like new file. When we open the new file, there it is in control plus n, and when we open module, it is ATL plus M, and when we open file, it is in control plus O. Okay guys, and then we are starting. So guys, in Python there are two process also, input and output. So guys, and then I will explain you how to print any code in Python. So guys, start. So guys, I am starting to print any code in Python. First you have to write print. First we have to write print, and we have to write these brackets, and we have to write, it is compulsory to write this. Okay, compulsory to write this. No. And then I have written the bracket, and this is compulsory to write hello world, HELLO, hello world. You can write anything, and I have write hello world. So it is written hello world. It is print. Okay, I have written print hello world, and it is and it is print hello world. Okay, we can take next example also. We can print any name or city, any named city, places. We can print name, places. We can print we can print any name. So I have written next second example. So I have written this. So I have written Sham Malani. Okay, Sham Malani. Sham Malani. In last we have to run. Okay. Yes. We did Sham Malani. It is print. Okay. Print. And guys, we are starting how to plus any code, how to sum any code. So we are starting. First is a is equal to 10. Okay, and then b is equal to 20. Okay, we have to write in variable. A and b is variable. Okay, we have to write. When we have to sum, then we have to write a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. We have to write the variable. Okay, and second is pri, and second is we have to write c is equal to a plus b. Okay, and then we have to run, and then we have to no, and we have to write c is equal to a plus b, means a and b, and there is c, so a plus b. Okay, means 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. And we have to write next print thus we have to write this exponential form in exponential mark. The sum of the number the sum of the number is, and then we have to write this, and then we have to write in this comma and c, and then bracket in, we have to write this, and we have to run. Okay, the sum of the number is 30. The answer is 30 because 10 plus 20 is 30. It is in calculator, and then we suppose we have written this. Okay, and we have written this. Okay, and we have to run. Okay, the answer is this. So guys, it is an basic of calculator, how to the sum and how to plus in coding of Python. So, and then I will explain you multiply. So guys, in multiply we have to write a print a and b, print this, and 56 56 and this multiply sign and 7, 56 into 7, and we have to run, and answer 392. And we have to write only this, print 57 in only numbers. Okay, so 5 okay, and in this we have written 7, and we have to run. Okay. And then answer is this. In multiply only we have to do only this. Okay, in multiply. Okay, and then I will explain in divide. And divide we have to, in minus also we have to do only like this. A is equal to 6. Okay, and then b is equal to 7, and then c is equal to a minus b, because we are not doing plus, we are doing minus. Plus and minus, there are same rules. Okay, but there is changes of their minus sign and plus sign, and then we have to write print bracket, and we have to write this is compulsory in and addition and subtraction, and then we have to write thus the difference of the number is, the difference of the number is. Okay, the difference of the number is then you have to write this and comma, then we have to write this, and then we have to write this, and and then we have to write comma, and then we have to write comma, and we have to write C. No, we have to write this comma and C, and then close the bracket, and we have to write input. What is output? The difference of the number is -2, and the difference of the number is -2. So guys, there is an example of how to do any calculation in Python. So I have done multiplications, division, multiplication, addition, and minus. So next I am doing division. And division we have to write the print in basic rules that addition and subtraction, there are same rules, and multiplication and division, there are also same rules. In the division we have to write 23, bracket, sorry guys, bracket 23 upon 9, okay, and then answer is 2.555, and this is the answer. And 7, and we have to write print. Next example, print 42 upon 6, and this is the I am not close the bracket, and this there is saying syntax error. I am not marked this points now. So 42 upon 7, okay, and then we have to close the bracket. 42 upon 7, okay. No. We have to write 42 upon 7, and we have to close the bracket, okay. Answer is 6, okay. We can do hard multiply, division, addition, and etc. We can do calculate hard and hard, okay. Today I have explained you how to calculate, and I calculate the sum of any harder digit. Tomorrow I will explain how to print any higher code, and how to output any age. So guys, and there is basic, and there is basic of data types also. There are data types in Python also. There are 3 data types. First is boolean. Integer value means we can write integer. Short form is integer. Short form is int. Okay, we have to run only int. Okay guys, so guys वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना और शेयर कर देना. Okay guys, so I am writing. So guys, like, share and subscribe guys. And tomorrow we are doing new chapter in this only, more on Python. That in more on Python we can study how to output any age. So guys, bye bye.